This week is our summer camp, 2019.
My name is Valentina, and this is my dress that I made. This is my sketch, and these are the fabrics that I was going to choose. But then when I went to the fabric store, I chose out this fabric. I also made a spreadsheet with the fabric that I chose. So yeah, I really love it.
And we have 13 kids, 12 kids, 12 kids. And we have 4 teachers for the 12 kids.
And where did you get your inspiration from?
Well, I really like this stuff because I think it's really cool, and I like doing the overlay. I think that's really attractive. So.
Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Are you gonna wear your dress? Oh, nice.
I got the idea because I really like leopard print, and I loved the theme of black and white. It was white and white. I love the theme of stripes, and so I put together this outfit.
And these are some of the work from the past. This is the, I call the Wall of Fame, where that's done making an outfit go up on the wall. But this is from 2 summer camps ago. These are from my regular classes. Okay, so you can tell they're all one of a kind because here in our classes, everybody makes their own design. So everybody's design is different. So here's the whole camp. Hi, everybody wave. So today's the last day. They're all excited because we're about to have a show in about 2 hours.
Oh, nice.
Right, so it's like a Project Runway moment where everything is being thrown together to get it done. And they're going to practice walking. And who's my MC? Oh, Natalie's going to be the MC for the show. It's our summer camp, 2019.